na play. Still playing Miss Colette. Bilang Ganori, maraming salamat ka lang, Ganori. Hindi pala ako marunong yan. Kunyari lang yan. Na marunong, pero hindi pala. Okay, saglit ha. Playing still Miss Colette with your latest upload. What's this? Playing still Miss Colette with your Did you know, Miss Paulette, it is my dream to walk in the snow. Langga Nori, thank you so much, Langga ha. Maraming salamat. Anyway, may isang oras na ako nagawa, guys ha. Malapit na matapos, Miss Paulette. Wow. Okay. Already done, Miss Paulette. Sino ba itong naka-live? Na one by one din. Done, Miss Paulette. Thank you. Six watching. Abe. Oh, done like and commented on your daughter cover. Very nice. Thank you so much, Miss Paulette. Ha? Yeah, maybe she have to. I mean, Princess. I told the princess that she have to be active on her channel because this year she's going to be 18 years old. So maybe she have to handle her channel because she's not a minor anymore. Okay, so that's why I told him to be active on her channel. Because she is not a minor anymore, okay? So maybe I will only support her channel. But she said, oh, mommy, I'm so busy. I'm so busy with my school, with my activities in school. That's why I understand. Okay, I understand. But I said, but you have to be active somehow because it needed. Okay, may English ko. Okay, may English ko. Is my English okay, Miss Colette? Okay, Langga Nori. It was split tayo dito, Langga Nori. Because you know, I'm talking to Miss Colette. Yeah. Uy, gawa pala ako ng